Off-grid living with the Bennetts. There it is. Hot dog in a wood stove. You can't pick an easier meal. I had roast beef planned, but I just didn't have time to prepare it. So I thought, this is a good alternative. Get some nice coals going, let the fire die down a little bit, and a couple of hot dogs. Save me having to go outside in the snow, fighting to get the barbecue going. Just sit in the house where it's nice and warm, throw my pajamas on, sit in front of the stove, relax, nice and warm, and cook up a hot dog. Put some mustard, relish, ketchup on it, and just enjoy it. Just relax and just let that thing brown up nice. There it is, nice and browned up. Ready? You want a bun? Yep. That looks yummy.